So guys, in this verified NFX, I had to make a file for all my screenshots that I've been making. But unfortunately, I do not have screenshot from 2021, 2019 down to 2021. But officially, I started trading 2021. So I was still using my old phone. There was one phone I was using then. So I used to make screenshot of all my trades. So 2021, I changed my phone November 2022. So that was when I started taking screenshots, and I was not able to migrate most of those pictures. I was not able to recover it on the new phone. So look at it. These are my days of my beginning days of trading. So then you can see still had indicators, didn't know what it means to trade a naked chart. These are just beautiful experience of my beginning days in trading. Look at me, indicators here and there. I made great screenshot of my charts. Anytime it plays out like this, I will just screenshot it, go and show my friend. My colleague then too that trades. I go and show him that see, this trade is going my way. And this thing is joyful, man. There's this joy that comes with seeing trades going your own direction, and you tend to screenshot it. There's no how, you must screenshot it. See me screenshotting from different time frame, screenshotting that as it is tanking, So guys, look at, I have over 706 pictures here, pictures from 2022 till date. I see me when I take losses, draw down, that day was not really nice. I cannot even remember most of all these days. I just know that I screenshotted. I think this was a TP that hit, my chat cleared. Send it off, send it to my guys. TP cleared. These are my, days of little accounts. This little account, it was like good to me. I will not lie. Fund it, blow it, fund it. Then I was removing I was removing my daily 2K from the chat. To some extent, it was making sense. See, when it wants to hit TP, when it's about to hit, see, when it does finally hit TP, all these things are beautiful. Screenshots from my, trading MT4, MT5. I love this. I take screenshot once this trade is going my way. I think I'm even addicted to it. Once it is not even going my way, I screenshot it, man, to see how bad the trade has gone. But most times, I tend to take screenshot of trade that is going, where positively. Where I don't really screenshot trade that did not that did not go my way. But it doesn't give you joy now. Anything that you just suddenly see that you are hitting stop loss and it's not giving anybody joy. Okay, this one I had to take that screenshot. It was a loss. So I think I was trying to flip a very small account, maybe $2, $5 account. So for me to screenshot it, just know that was something that, see, margin call. I was even trying to still had this trade. I wanted it to, at least give me $1 so that I can have breathing space and, still try to trade it, See, blew this account. And this account is not that the balance is actually 85 cents. It's coming from a $5 account or from a $10 account. So this was the remaining balance. Looking at it, it didn't make sense. Look at it. It was at floating equity was 17 cents. Can you just imagine? See. This was another day. I guess that account blew. So this was another day. And if you notice something, guys, most of all these trade actually had sniper entries. big time sniper entries. See this trade now, gave me joy. See, wow, I love this trade. This was then, there's this fire, everything, all those ambition, everything was still lit up. Yes, man, anything can be possible. I was really, really happy that, trading was not, it was, well, I say was very easy for me to understand, and I didn't really have to battle. But if people see all this screenshot, they will think is a rocket science. You get, but it's only me that understands what this chart was all about. This, you can see, these were the days I was still using movie average, and I was using all different indicators. I was using Bollinger Bands. I was using RSI. Then I didn't know anything about ICT. I didn't know anything about SMC. I was just, once we see the moving average, red line, the red moving average going our direction, that the 5 or the, 10 moving average, you just tend to start having this analysis around it, that okay, it didn't go above, it didn't go below, no things like that. Although I didn't say it does not work. Most of these things work, but to me, I see that it plays out before, it plays out after price have, so I see it as something that doesn't give you prior information. These things, it plays out after price have already done its shit. So look at, I take proper screenshot of all my trading, activities on MT4, MT5, no matter what I was trading. And even when I dived into most of these trades, were sniper entries, having small stop loss, even as a beginner trader then. Although this time, as at this time, I took all this screenshot. I told you that I changed my phone, and my old phone was the one I took screenshots with from 2021 January when I started. But this was 2022. As at this time I was taking screenshots, I was no longer a beginner. I was at least much more experienced than when I newly started. 710. Look at all this trade, man. See how this USD card tanked. This was when I was still trading. I was trading USD card, GU, Euro USD. I saw USD card like my DXY. I saw Euro USD as the inverse of it. But I was also, but if you notice my trade, I was specialized kind of. I didn't really take although I trade Aussie USD too back then, trade Aussie USD, but I just decided that Jeffrey Benson really, really inspired me. And another of my mentor that talked about specialized trading. The first time I started trading, that was the motivation I have about trading. This was when I was trying to recover from drawdown, maybe an evaluation account, MFF account. The first time trading, this man talked about how trading too many instruments were very delicate. So, but it simplified. Someone trading just one explained how it is good to be specialized. You master the pair, you'll be good at what you are doing. That pair, you can always, you don't even really need to do much analysis before you can understand where it is going, because you are specialized. And he talked about how, what's his name again, I've forgotten, but he's the country manager of CM Trading. So he talked about how he won $1,500, from his university days. He talked about how he discovered that his friend built a house on the highland. So he was like, what? If this guy can have a house on the highland, why should I not? He wasn't competing though. He had to go and put in the work. Then he applied for a competition. He passed it. That was when he started, from he read biochemistry, is it biochemistry? I don't really know. So many things, guys. Man, see me with demo account. Eh? See me with demo account. Chai. I've really done a lot of crazy shit though. They knock on better lot size. See, although this was an evaluation account, we set it up by ourselves. 5k, we agreed to 6k. Then me and my friend then will be like, if we can take 5k to 6k, 7k, then we should be able to work on evaluation account now. We trade a lot, me and that guy. We just, try to be realistic. We always find realistic things about trading. No, 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 no. I really give that guy kudos. Oh. His name is OLDFX. We talk about trading in a realistic approach. Yes, in a realistic approach. Talk about trading. We don't try to, most times, and we also talk about trading in a criminal way. We also see trading in a way that can we just, steal the market? Can we just steal this idea, steal this cheat? We're looking for cheat code too. I will not lie to you. We were trying to study how Habi then used to always trade news comfortably, how he used to use big lot size. We were like, okay, that means that guy doesn't use he use very small stop loss if he's going to use like maybe 2 standard or 20 standard. His stop loss might be in pipettes, not in people, or like it might be. So we went to replicate it. Ashe, before you even enter one standard self, the spread they are charging you is more than your stop loss. So you just only see that we entered the trade and we left almost immediately. What happened? What happened? The trade did not trigger. What's that? What's this? No, a whole lot of crazy shit. We just be like, that was we're trying to cheat the market too, trying to cheat broker also. But we didn't know that. We even did it that, okay, we do buy and sell. Buy limit, sell limit, buy limit, buy stop, sell stop rather. Any place that breaks out, let it start going. We tried all those things, all those crazy shits. It didn't work out, man. This was a big loss. Took this loss, my eyes opened. Although, see, blues. Although one thing, I will not lie to you guys. One thing that used to trigger all these screenshots are mostly when trade goes in someone's direction. So most times when you see trade in the reverse direction, tend not to be happy about it at all. You will not be happy about it at all. Then this was when we were still using RSI, overbought, oversold. Person don't trade for this life. So see, we're using all those once it passes that line. But we're also using Bollinger Bands. There was one time I was using Bollinger Bands on my charts, Gogo. Once it gets to the top is at the premium, the middle is at equilibrium, the down is at discount. Now. when it gets to the top, we also see it as overbought. When it gets to the middle, nothing is happening, no buyer pressure, no seller pressure. When it gets to the down, oversold. Sure, you get once it touches, Bollinger Bands are majorly 3 lines that crosses a chart. So, man, see, once you look at this trade, there are different days, different time trade. But you notice there's a pattern of chart. There's a way I'm trading, and most times I short the most. Most times there's a pattern of trading that I find interesting. And all these times that I short are the times that I maybe did top down analysis and check the overall flow of the market. I would not even be looking for buys. I'm not gonna lie you. I will not look for buys. Always looking for sell opportunities, sell entries. Wait for a pullback. No matter how, we'll still wait for a pullback. Okay, I think
Okay, I was buying here. Yeah, yeah. This is a beautiful buy. I was buying here. No, but most of the times the trade will go against you. So this over 600 guys, I cannot where will I start from? Let's just be fast about this. So we have so many significant trade that has gone in our favor. I'm so happy for all these screenshots. No, we blue account, margin call. I see so I screenshot that a lot. I used to screenshot this. This was even MFF too. When I just acquired the 5K account, screenshotted. I was going to meet 400 targets, a lot of things that we went through. Most times that if you notice I was shorting this market, I can tell you for sure that I was actually I was doing my normal top down analysis, which I learned. I learned that wisdom from Darkbo Wales. I really learned it from Darkbo Wales. That man is so good at analyzing with using top down analysis. And the fact is that top-down analysis is actually the way to go about the market. You see the higher time frame, you see where the market is going, a bigger picture, then you trade in line with it. That was the only thing I was always watching then. I will not lie to you, I can spend 3 hours, 4 hours every day on Dark Willis video. Yes, I will not lie to you. You can say I talk about Jeffrey, talk about Abby, talk about I've even there was one time I followed Kojo, the king of trading small account with our local currency. Different things. That man he will tell you, that guy will tell you that see fund the best way to trade flip a small account is not to have it in dollar, because when you have it in dollar you see it as a little, you see it as small, but when you have it in your local currency you will see it as big. Now a whole lot of shit. See me ta gang was most times Jeffrey will do some things that I will just come to the chat. I will just want to replicate it, everything will go south. Most times, guys, please try and subscribe to this channel. Try and subscribe. You can see the journey is not today. The journey is not today. See, what's this? Yeah. Look at. I'm very sure. See something that was okay. No, these two trades did not correlate. Because how will see? This was a blown account from 200. Look at the balance minus 211. Man, cry no gree me cry. Cry no gree me cry. Most time, just imagine now this kind of trade hits somebody in this modern day economy. How will you survive? How will you cope? Where do you want to start from? You know how much is $211? You will be so depressed, especially for those that don't really have much, that are really working and trying to save up. I remember this trade. I went to work for a customer at Sulere, and I was on this trade. I was so happy, man. If the customer asked me one question, I would answer 10 times. I will give the customer, back to back. Then it was spa at Sulere then. Talked about, I was just giving them different wisdom about their this. I was giving them cheat code. I was telling them a lot of illegal things about how their meter could work and how they can. Well, then what was the illegal things I was telling them? How to engage NEPA, to help them check the band. Although it was not illegal, just to know the kind of whether the band they were on, whether band A, band B, and how to utilize that token. If they know that they are on band A, they should be able to step down and change to a bigger meter that can carry all their load instead of them recharging every day. That by the way. So this is another see taking loss, taking win. See, even when MT4 was malfunctioning, I screenshot am. This one I screenshotted when I noticed that this thing is giving me some kind of pattern. I now did plenty of it. I screenshotted and then I cropped it. I used to do my wallpaper. Now all those kind of things. Most times I was shorting this market. See. Imagine how will somebody sleep? Most times I was shorting this market were based on top down analysis, and most times I buy. I buy the retracement, I buy the pullback. Now I was, because the overall trend is was bearish. So guys, 700 and something pictures. That's why I don't want to waste time here. I don't know if we can be fast about it. Uh See, different things. So we are going to sleep here today. Let me just make it fast. Let me make it fast. Just see, these are my trading screenshots. And guess what? 70% of these trades are mostly sniper entries. Check, go and check from the beginning of this, from of when I started swiping these pictures. Check, most of them, 70% are sniper entries. And the question is, what is the problem? What is the problem? Is it that I need magic, or no? I don't. The problem is that there's no problem. I just only need to keep doing what I'm doing. I blow this account. Oh. Yeah, normal. It's beautiful when you blow accounts, guys. You will learn. It's beautiful when you blow accounts. You will calm down. You will breathe well. And because if you did not blow account, you will not know the value. You will not know the value it gives. You will never know the value to have a profitable account. You will not know the value to hit TP, the value of hitting TP. You will never still know the value of growing account. If you don't blow account, you will not know the value of growing account, guys. Please smash the subscribe button. I'm waiting. Are you done? Tap yes in the comment section. Thank you. Let's continue. So guys, see, this is screenshot. I'm tired of swiping. Okay, this was we create demo account for ourselves on demo on XNES and FBS, just to trade it. This was maybe when I don't have a live account. We'll see, guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. See, this anytime you see things like this, just know that magic coin is not far. See, both wins and loss. This margin call is not always far. This you can see, once you see these three lines, margin, free margin, margin level, everything is red like this. Boom. This was Kojo's school of thought. Don't trade. Don't put your money. Don't trade your small account in dollar. Trade it in your local currency. This is my local currency, oh, bro. Everything don't go out. Now only two trade I enter with 0.01, 0.01. I could not even count how many pips is this. This is like 50 pips. But it's because I was not, used to Naira account. That was why this shit happened. I will dollar now. If I'm seeing 20 pips, I should be able to leave the trade. Now how will I lose all my accounts once? All these trades were sniper entry, guys. Let's keep swiping, please. Please and please subscribe to this channel, like this video. These are screenshots from my trade. Someone cannot say this guy is a novice or is a beginner in trading. Never. The only thing you can say is the guy needs consistency. I will not say I need capital. Yeah, because I know that capital will fall in once what there is a little bit, or when there's much more evidence of profitability. Capital will always set in. You don't need capital to, you need capital. But I know what I'm saying. Something I'm trying to say, and I believe that old traders and professional traders will understand. You just need to have the skill. The skill matters a lot. See, so if most times when I see all these things, I will just look at myself. I will like, I don't. Will I not say I don't have the skill? It's not possible. I have the skill. Guys, thank you that you are staying this long to be with me on this. This is just my screenshot. Guys, I think I need to go back. Over 706. I don't know if I've even got it to 200 like this. So guys, I don't know. But we should be close to our normal 700. But just for you to know that this is like our screenshots. Let me try to make it fast. So screenshots from 2022. I wish I had my other phone. I would have, saved everything. Oh, good. Wow. I didn't even know when I finished swiping over 700 screenshots. So, guys, please and please don't think it's just a day journey. It's not a day journey. These screenshots has been since 2022. Even I had more, just that I changed my phone. Don't come into the industry to start thinking that you'll be profitable in 2 months, in 3 months. No, you will blow account. I started my very full journey after passing my demo class. I started my very journey with 400. I will not lie to you. I withdraw only $50 from that account. My the place I was working, they used to give us a bonus, plus my savings, plus my Christmas bonus, plus my every damn thing, plus people's money. I gathered everything, funded, because I was like very optimistic. I was very, very determined. I was like, okay, thank God. No. At the end of 2019, I was like, my goal for 2020. At the end of 2020, my goal for 2021 was like Forex. I'm hitting it in Forex because I got to, make all this block. But I will not lie to you. That account I funded it, although I beat the 390 390 rules. Oh. Every trader blows their account in, is it 90 days? Okay. 90% of trader blow their account in 19 days or something. I didn't blow it in 90 days. I blew it in 120 days there about. I used 4 months on that account. But I withdrew only $50. Pew, everything. I even used the broker's copier. I used the broker's copier. Every damn thing. Shit. I was just hitting stop loss back to back. So this is the file. I just created it this evening and I migrated all my screenshots. All my screenshots. So thank you for staying back to watch. Thank you. I know it's boring, but just so you know that most of you that are thinking that you can pass or you can make it in 2 months, just know that it takes the grace of God and it takes mastery. These are screenshot from 2022 till date. These are, if let's go to the beginning, 2022 till date. I wish you had seen my 2021 picture. You just be laughing. Different things. Oh, my 2021 pictures was full of white background because I didn't know how to set my MT5 or MT4 where I was majorly used to, and I liked that background. Later I switched. This was 2022. So, guys, thank you for your time. I really appreciate you. One love, one love. Please subscribe to this channel. I love you so much, guys. This very picture, I used to do profile pics for more than how many months. I even added it to my logo then for Doen FX. A lot of crazy shit, guys. Thank you so much. Really appreciate. So look at 80, 90, 70% of all these screenshots, if I come down to look at it one after the other, they were sniper entries. And will I say I managed trade? Yes or no? Will I say just tell me things in the comment section? Just tell me what you observe about my trading style. And if you notice, do I trade in a consistent way or am I just trading anyhow? Just tell me something that you notice because I can also use it to, readjust my whole self. I can. So, guys, thank you. I think it's time up. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.